It's Monday giveaway. And today we have this amazing bundle here. It's a good mix of products that I love, great for sensitive skin. Starting with SKIN1004, their cleansing duo for that double cleanse. SKIN1004 is a all-natural skincare line and I love them. After cleansing, what do you need? Toner. KNEMO's, this is great to get rid of sebum and soothe out your skin. It has a cooling sensation. It's really good if you are acne prone. What else is important? Skin barrier. And we have Skinfix. This is their intensive repair balm, restoring your skin barrier, regeneration, and repairing the damage you might have done by overstripping. And of course, they're known for their creams. This one is their gel one, which is great for sensitive skin as well. And not to mention, it's almost spring, summer, so this lightweight cream is perfect for the season. Last but not least, we have Beauty of Joseon SPF. This is actually the original formula, so I'm putting it in this bundle to keep your skin protected with the PA filters that it originally has, because we're going into broad spectrum formula from here on forward. Yes, it's added in. As per always, check caption for entry details. Winner will be announced on Friday.